Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the news flash with Gold Royalty on Commodity TV. Gold Royalty reported its Q2 2023 numbers, and mining professional David Garofalo, who is chairman and CEO of Gold Royalty, said, "We have maintained our 2023 financial guidance and are encouraged by the expected near-term organic cash flow growth of our portfolio with assets such as GROY.TO and the Odyssey on the cusp of commencing on ramping up production. Our team has continued to execute our growth strategy in a disciplined manner and recently announced the Cozamin royalty acquisition agreement while reducing quarterly cash operating costs by 30% year-over-year. We expect a strong second half of 2023 with increased production from Canadian Malartic, first revenues from Cozamin and GROY.TO nearing completion of construction." That was David Garofalo. Those are positive news, ladies and gentlemen, but it is not yet reflected in the share price. Unbelievable. Adjusted net loss per share for the second quarter of 2023 was unchanged from the comparable period of 2 cents per share, as lower total revenues and land contract revenues in the second quarter 2023 were partially offset by a decrease in operating expenses of over 30%. Total revenues and land contract revenues were lower than expected in the second quarter, primarily due to the resumption of production at the Barnett Pit at Canadian Malartic. Full year guidance for total revenue and property contract revenue of $5.5 to $6.5 million is being maintained, as the shortfall in revenue from Canadian Malartic is expected to be substantially recovered in the second half of this year. The company generated 2 new royalties and has now generated 37 royalties since 2021 through the royalty model. For 2023, we continue to expect a small loss, which is mainly due to one-time costs. The company currently expects to generate positive net operating cash flow next year as production of key growth projects, including the long-life GROY.TO and Odyssey anchor mines, ramp up, leading to strong cash inflows in subsequent years. Some patience is required, but at these low prices, the stock represents an interesting buy level. Not to forget that one also receives $0.01 dividend per quarter, which corresponds to a yield of good 2.5% per annum. Of course, this is still expendable. At Nicky Eagle's Odyssey project in Canadian Malartic is expected to have an improved production profile and production increases for the years 2025 to 2028, which will then also have a positive effect on Gold Royalty. IAMGOLD's GROY.TO gold project is nearing completion and production is expected to start in early 2024. This should then also lead to first revenues for Gold Royalty next year. Other projects such as Fenelon, Wren and Granite Creek are on track and important for future growth. 2 new royalties were completed during the quarter. The Quarter Horse property was sold to First Majestic, with Gold Royalty retaining a 0.75% NSR royalty on the property. Goldfield West was sold to Centerra Gold, with Gold Royalty retaining a 2% NSR. The company currently has 31 properties under land contracts and 7 properties under lease, and expects to generate $3.2 million in land contract revenues in 2023, assuming all land option contracts are exercised. The model remains a low-cost part of the business, with only $81,000 spent on mineral interest maintenance in the first half this year. Analysts at H.C. Wainwright have a positive view on Gold Royalty. In their latest analysis, the price target is at a high $8.75 for the stock. The chart shows a completely oversold level, and we see a great opportunity to enter a growth company that will take off in the next few years. Our initial price target is $3, and after that $5 to $6 should be it. In our opinion, the stock has been punished too much in today's market environment. You can also find all information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything about commodities. Please note the following disclaimer. We appreciate a like and, of course, more importantly, subscribe to our YouTube TV channel. Thanks for that. The discussed stock is part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and of course, I am a shareholder in that great company. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Austria today.